Things to do in Perth during the day. We've got the beach, Swan River, pop over to Rottnest, have a selfie with a quokka, nip into Kings Park, enjoy a picnic. And things to do in Perth after night, well, we are amassing quite a tidy little list. Perth is in the middle of a serious revitalisation. From public art to music, venues and food, even for the locals, it's hard to stay on top of it. And that's where you need an expert. Oh, hey WA, do we have an experience for you? Actually, that's the name of tour guide extraordinaire 80s walking tours, connecting visitors and locals alike to Perth's after-dark hotspots. This woman has worn out some serious shoe leather, all in the name of research. Adi, where does this walking tour start?
So Drizzy, it starts right here in Hibernian Place in the historic heart of Perth. Home to many new exciting things, the Western Hotel, Garum, a world-class restaurant, Goody Two's, a late-night Japanese whiskey bar, and all within some historic buildings that we have right here as well.
A little bit of heritage as well.
Yeah, so it's in the heart of the historic heart of Perth, the East End, home to many heritage buildings. We've got the old Fire Station Museum set up behind us here, St Mary's Cathedral just down the road, the Mint. Really fantastic old heritage precincts coming back to life.
So how long does a walking tour last?
Well, we're going to go around for about 2.5 hours, and that covers some really exciting things, some new nightlife precincts, some laneways, new developments. Really fantastic.
Sounds like our cue. As we walk between various night spots, Adi points out the street art hidden inside lanes, some with interesting backstories, including the murals celebrating Prince Lane's connection to the fashion industry. First stop, yep, it was a flower factory. Now it's an inner city pub covering 3 levels, and yes, it is always this packed. At the bar, gin with a West Australian twist, and on the tables, food made with the freshest WA produce. Some of the night spots we can't take you into, like Sneaky Tony's Whiskey Speakeasy, where entry is via password only. Now, I don't know if I would have gone in here by myself, but Adi is all fired up about it, and the Rooftop Bar is just one of the unexpected attributes of this venue. I would never have known this place was here.
Yeah, it's an absolute hidden gem, this one. So summer's here, the sun's out. We love rooftop bars here to come and sit and have a cocktail, and there's so many of these in Perth, and this is what I love showcasing on my tours. Tiki here on James Street is one of my favourites. Bjorn is the state's best cocktail bartender, and he makes drinks like these absolute beauties that we've got here, and you can enjoy them with the city in the background.
So what other sort of places are you taking people to? Bars?
Yeah, all different bars and restaurants that have been opening. So there's little basement spots that, again, you would never find on your own. So there's the QT that's just opened in the 5-star hotel. They've got a rooftop there. There's the Avery, Bob's Bar. So many choices that we've got. And summer's here. What better to be outdoors enjoying a drink with friends?
Cheers, let's try this.
Cheers.
Adi, I love this spot.
Oh, Gagen Square, isn't it just amazing? Finally connecting Perth to Northbridge, and it's an absolute feast for the senses. It lights up at night time. Got the stunning digital tower here, the beautiful colourful cover over the auditorium, and it's also got some amazing food.
Ooh.
I love to bring my bar tours here for food because there's some incredible spots, like Street Eats Eatery. It's a street food inspired place, owner operated, live music, street art, just absolutely awesome.
You know all the good places, don't you?
Of course, that's what I do.
This tour is brilliant. If you want to join Adi and see and hear and taste every aspect of this tour for yourself, catch Oh Hey WA on Facebook and wear your comfy shoes.